Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Wallpaper engine not working or launching on Steam, and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is go over to Steam. Once you are on Steam, make your way over to Library and then go over to Wallpaper Engine. Right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. From installed files, you can go over to verify this application's files are installed correctly, and then go ahead and just hit verify integrity of software files. And what that basically does is that if you have any corrupt files downloaded, or if you have any missing files, it will basically just remove them and add them, and it will fix your issue. What you can do is X out, go over to Steam on the top left, hit exit. This kind of like restart Steam, which is good. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and open up Steam back again, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is right click on Steam on the desktop and just hit run as an administrator and try opening it up Steam this way. Another method you guys can try doing is just log out of your Steam account and then log back in, and you guys should be good to go. And another thing you guys can always do is if you are on NVIDIA, just go ahead and update your drivers by clicking into GeForce Experience, and then you can go ahead and update it from there. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.